Okay, this is a song by Paul McCartney, Ram On, and ukulele, standard tuning. I got a high G here, and it's 12 bars. There's a pickup note, and it goes, so it's like half note, and then like full note. So, but it starts on 4, so 4 and okay, so it starts off like that, goes 4 and second bar goes, and then the next chord, and well, let's look at the first chord. First chord, you bar that, the first fret, and you hold down the 3rd fret. So and that's the same run to the next chord, which is B flat. C, F, C, F, C. Then there's a C, and then one stroke F, C, back to the beginning. Okay, so let's start it, go through it one more time. And it should be